Look at us. Look at us. As you can see, the mood is better. And we look better. Why? You might ask. Good question. Might or might not be because today we're out of quarantine.
Of freedom.
Okay,
we have to eat.
We have to hurry actually.
Kind of a hurry. Our appointment for the SIN number is at 9 and it's 7:40. And we have to leave at 8, so we have 20 minutes to breakfast and get ready. Good. So this is kind of exciting.
More than kind of.
Tell them about the plan for today. Oh, sorry. I feel so fresh.
Even look at me. I literally don't even recognize myself. Whatever. Today I'm not sure about the quality of this video because it's quite dark. It's early, so today our plan is to first that's fine. Take the metro to go downtown, which will take us about like 20 to 30 minutes. And then we'll have the SIN number appointment at the Service Canada downtown. So that's at 9. I guess we'll take you guys with us for that.
Oh, and a SIN number is a social insurance number.
Yeah, and you need to get this done first things before everything else.
In order to work.
To be able to work here, exactly. So that's that. And after that, we just planned to go shopping for a little because it's -6 degrees today. So
and we are not prepared.
We need to get like winter clothes, stuff that keeps us warm in the Canadian cold, basically. And then after that, after the shopping, I guess we plan to just get something for lunch and then go home. To maybe change into warmer clothes if we found something, and then go back downtown and then do some touristy stuff like looking at Montreal, just touristy stuff, looking at the city basically. That's the plan for today. I mean, forgot something. And after all the touristy stuff, we have another appointment at 4 for our bank account. To open a bank account, we chose the CIBC. CIBC for people who are interested in that, because lots of like Canadian banks offer a foreign workers deal or like a first year without any fees year for newcomers to Canada. But in a Facebook group we're in, most people, which saved our life. So for everyone watching out of that Facebook group, thank you so much for everything. And as for so many other things that helped us choose a bank, and lots of people said that the CIBC has the best deal. So that's what we're doing. I have to eat because I'm talking and it's time to go. Okay, are you ready? So yes. Oh my god. Can you really? And it's really empty as well, like nobody's here basically. I mean, obviously, since you're not supposed to go out, but I can't believe we're out. Welcome back. We just got our SIN number. It was literally only like less than 10 minutes, so it's still before 9, and shops and stuff open at 10, so we'll have to see what we're going to do. And it's so cold. I'm not up for like super much a lot of sightseeing because it's so cold. I'm so happy.
Oh god. I'm already exhausted, by the way.
That's
My body is not having it.
I know.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the...
We just got out of the bank And now we both have a debit card and a credit card. Perfect. The day was amazing. It was amazing to get out of this house. And everything worked out perfectly. We bought quite a lot of stuff. I have to say, we spent some money on it. And then we are going to do a little haul as soon as possible. This is the new fit I just bought. Right, basically bought like today. We have the mid super puff from Maurizia. And we have a new beanie, which I have no idea what it's called, but it's just this beanie from Maurizia as well. And then Anna has the same puffer as I have, but in black. And now we're on our way back downtown. Hello. We are on a night out. Not really a night out, but we're adventuring at night. As you can see, we're standing in front of the Mary du Queen de Monde, Mary the Queen of the World Cathedral. It's really Can't really see it from here, but there's the cathedral. Pretty. And look at pretty Anna with a new puffer. Hello, hello.
Welcome back.
It's the next day. It is Thursday. And we're on our way back first downtown and then to the old port to do some touristy stuff. So let's get this day started. In the bus right now, nobody else is here. It's empty. And now we're driving. I just returned some stuff at Maurizia, and now we're driving to the old port and do some sightseeing. And we're probably going to get a coffee. We're going to try the new Starbucks coffees because in Germany there's not as much variety. So let's try some fun coffees. I love my new mask. We both have new masks. It says A for Maurizia, but we just thought it's A for Anna. Welcome to the old port in old Montreal. Here's the old coffee. Look at these pretty streets. Let's try it out. First, we know the Notre Dame. They have like Christmas decorations here. But she wants to try. This is a peppermint mocha. I've always thought that peppermint is not great, but let's try it. I think I might like it. Let's try it out. What do you think? It's like nothing I ever tasted. It's really weird. I don't hate it, but I also don't love it. And just go around maybe to see anything else too, like the Christmas decorations. Yes. There she is. That's Christmas decoration. You just made some pictures. And my hand is freezing. Like literally the hand that's like holding the phone is freezing off right now. So see you later, because honestly my hand is not okay. I'm like my fingers. I can't feel my fingers anymore. So I have to go put my gloves back on. So see you. Look how pretty. You should do a selfie. Das beste Lächeln bekommt man, wenn man unter der Maske mit so offenem Mund lächelt. Warte, also das ist ein ganz normales Lächeln, ja? Man sieht gar nichts. Jetzt kommt das offene Mundlächeln. That's not really what I was thinking. Okay, people, we're now at the old port, and nobody is here. When I say nobody, I mean literally nobody. Everything is closed. We're just kind of sad. We thought that maybe at least some shops would have opened. And this is the, what is it called? Ferris wheel. Yeah, Ferris wheel. Yeah, it's everything. Everything is closed. Everything is like dead, basically. And we're the only ones. But hey ho, we're making the best out of it, right? We're just freezing. Let's go find something to eat. yeah, we should go for something.
See you at lunch.
Okay, we just came back and we got lunch, but it seems like we're having lunch at 4 p.m. Wait, we went to like a staple you have to do in Montreal, which is, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like sandwich, like just meat sandwiches, basically. Smoked meat. And then we got some pickles with that, because that's like what you do. Let's try. This is like massive. Look at that.
I knew that would be great.
This is great. Okay, guys, we'll have lunch, or I don't know, early dinner. Who knows? I'll get back to you. Good morning in the morning, people. It is the day we're leaving our so loved apartment. Actually, it's not even bad. Like, it's nothing bad because we're actually very, very excited to go and start our Workaway month. But today has just been stressful. Yesterday night has been stressful. We just, after our late lunch, we literally just went and took the bus to go to Walmart and get some rain boots to be prepared for the farm. And I somehow started feeling very, very bad. I got the worst stomach ache, and I don't know. So then we had to take an Uber home because I felt very, very bad. And then we just had dinner, started packing our stuff up, and now it is 9:30, Friday the 20th, and we have to leave this apartment by 10:30. And we still have stuff to do in Montreal today, so we'll have Eggos. We don't have any plates left. We're going to have our Eggos, right?
Right.
And then we're just going to literally rush out of this apartment. All right, I forgot that we literally didn't do our apartment tour. So I'm going to do is just show you the apartment real quick, because we literally have to leave and everything is already packed up, so it looks a little empty, I guess. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and then we're going to head out. It's kind of sad, but it's kind of cool, but it's kind of sad, you know? But we come to love this apartment, because if you just stay somewhere for like 2 weeks and you literally can't leave, you just get comfy, I guess. But yeah. All right, I'll start in the living room just because I'm standing right here. This is the living room and dining room and kitchen, as you can see. And then we have this massive, massive TV and this amazing view out of our balcony. Really, really cute. Love it. And then this is the master bedroom with like built-in closets. And then we have the second bedroom, which we haven't really used, maybe like once or twice. And then this is the dining room and kitchen area. And then this is like a second balcony that we share with the neighbors, so we never went in there. Right, this is the bathroom. Very spacious. Hello, hello. I looked so cozy. Then we had this rain shower, really cute. And even a bathtub, which we literally didn't use. We have this little closet, and then we have the laundry room right here. Yeah, that is basically it. So, and we are here. So we'll have to go right there. I wish I were to move the video.
I told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should have told you that I loved you one more time, one more time, one more time. I should have
That's where we are. This is just, I think that's one of the most beautiful places here.
Would you have stayed if I had been honest with you from the start? Don't say it's okay if I'm far